Hi, my name is Kaylee Schnack, and I'm with Russell County Schools, USD 407, and I'm here to talk about parent rights. Parents are our partners. They have the right to do what they believe is best for their children, such as their care and education, and it's held up by the Supreme Court. These are some of the histories of parent rights. The Kansas law defines a parent as a natural, biological, adoptive, court-appointed foster parent, legal guardian, anyone acting in the role of the relative, lives with the student, or an appointed advocate. Special education in Kansas, you have the right to be present, actively engaged, understand terminology in your native language, be notified of all meetings in a timely manner, and be involved in the school improvement process. Parents must be given the parents' rights and special education notice once a year during initial evaluations, upon request with disciplinary removal during due process, and it must be in your native language. Your required parental consent must be given in initial evaluation, reevaluation, provision of service such as changes of 25% more or frequency, use of Medicaid, private insurance benefits. Parental consent is not required when reviewing data for a reeval, administering any district-wide assessments or state assessments, and unless than a material change in service or substantial change in placement. Parent rights. If you are a divorced parent, only one of you needs to attend the meeting, though both of you will be notified. Services can be dropped at any time, written consent. Once consent for initial IEP is done, the testing must be completed within 60 school days. Parents have the right to ask for information about the curriculum, testing scores, and schedules, about the evaluation process. You are the most important advocate for your child, and you will be given a copy of the evaluation. Free and appropriate education, also known as FAPE, with children with accepting delays have the entitled to receive free and appropriate public education. Parents will be provided at the meetings 15 days before school, prior to the meeting for eligibility of the reevaluation and IEP development, and we must provide interpreters in the native language or alternate communication such as video and conference calls. If you're a gifted student, you are exceptionally as well, and you have the same parent rights for your child. Educational advocate is something else that's assigned by states. It's usually for parents that are unknown, unavailable, or have no state rights. As far as USD 407, we promise to provide a prior written notice, receive consent before testing, share our findings and results, make an effort to contact you, meet federal and state guidelines, and always search for your guidance. Parents of USD 407 students should expect clarity and transparency, access and partnership, and efficiency. What we expect from USD 407 parents is to send your students to school regular and ready to learn, be aware of their students' progress, follow school policies, be respectful, respond in a timely manner, attend meetings that are scheduled, and avoid making assumptions, ask questions and advocate for your child. Finally, you can get more information at USD 407's county schools or visit KSDE website, and here are the references. Thank you.